তাই আমার ইচ্ছে অনিচ্ছের উপর কথা বলার অধিকার শুধুমাত্র আমার।
I also have a teenage son, and so I know what kind of problems they go through and what.
জার্মানি যাওয়ার খরচ যদি আমাদের পার্টিকে দিতে হয়।
I've seen your games.
Not too many movies on chess are being made.
এদেশে যখন খেলোয়াড় তৈরি হয় তখন রাষ্ট্র তার পাশে দাঁড়ায়, আর এদেশে
My audience have always loved me very dearly, and still they are.
Hello and welcome to NY Pulse News with Namita, and today I have very beautiful, very talented, the much celebrated actress of Bengali cinema, Rituparna Sengupta. Welcome to NY Pulse.
Thank you so much.
So we are going to play a game with you.
Really? Okay.
To start with, because we want to break this ice between you, me, and the audience.
Okay.
And know you a little better. And then rest, we are going to talk about your movie, your latest movie.
বড় প্লেয়ারের আসল পরীক্ষা জিতে আসা নয়, ফিরে আসায় হয়।
And you are here in Atlanta.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So we are really blessed that we are talking to you one-to-one. So before talk about all the filmy stuff and all these things, let's know you better.
Sure.
Okay, so rapid fire.
Wow.
So what I do with my rapid fire, I actually divide them in two sections.
Okay.
The cliche questions and the untold questions. So let's start with the cliche questions first. Are you ready? Okay. So the first thing comes to your mind, right? Favorite movie of all time?
Masoom and Notting Hill.
Okay, that's one Hindi and one English. Okay, and my favorite too, by the way. If you could have dinner with any three people, dead or alive, who would they be?
Hugh Grant. Meryl Streep. George Michael.
What's the last show you binge watched?
Virgin River.
If you could switch lives with one person for a day, who would be and why?
Priyanka Chopra.
Yes. Okay, so the next question. What's the weirdest thing you have ever eaten?
Well, I don't know. I mean, I have not eaten after seeing it. Something.
That's a good point.
Some soup with some weird stuff, like something which is moving, which was not looking good for me.
Eyes are floating or something.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I mean something like some kind of a reptile kind of stuff.
Oh my god.
So
like, were you in China?
They were saying that yeah.
Really?
They were saying that this is something exotic and something. I said no, I'm good. No,
we are good with simple stuff.
No, not this.
Okay. A role you would love to play in the future?
Gauhar Jan. I think she's like a epitome of beauty and talent. I think she's one of the finest and the first superstar of India. Yeah. And of course, another film which I am craving to do is Anjani Bai. She's again a musical star.
So a hint to all the producers and directors.
Yeah.
If you approach her with these kind of roles, like especially these two, she will say yes. So come. Okay. What's your guilty pleasure?
Having a nice strawberry cake.
Really? That's I know, to look this beautiful, I think that should be the guilty pleasure, because otherwise she wouldn't get a chance to eat it. I totally understand. Okay. What's the best piece of advice you've ever received?
My father said that you should never give up. Be at it, be patient, and of course be intelligent enough to understand the world around you.
You know, this is not in my list, but are these your real eyes? No
Yes.
lens?
No.
Oh my god, these are so
Yeah,
pretty.
thank you so much.
I mean, this is a
Yeah,
very
people often they say that they get a little puzzled. with my eyes,
yeah.
They say, wow, your lens colors are very nice, and what kind of lens are these? What are the exact colors? I said, look, this is what exactly God has sent me like this.
You know, what song right now coming to my mind?
Yeah.
Kathai aankhon wali ek ladki.
Yeah.
This is exactly Kathai aankhein, right?
Yeah.
Favorite actor or actress you look up to?
Meryl Streep, Smita Patil, Rekha ji.
If you could live any historical period, which one that would be and why?
I think the time of Akbar.
Akbar's time, okay.
Yeah, because I think that time a lot of changes happened in the history of India,
Yeah.
and there was a lot of beautiful developments happened. Maybe those nice attires,
Yeah.
beautiful jewelry,
Yeah.
and
So now the cliche questions are over. Now the untold ones. Okay. One untold thing no one knows about you, or very few people know about you.
okay, I can play carom and badminton. Not expressed much.
Okay.
So these are like hidden talents.
Hidden- Okay, so we are going to talk about.
Also, I paint, but
Okay.
but some people know about it because recently there was a feature on me about painting.
Okay, so I was reading your Wikipedia, and it says your other name is Chumki.
Correct.
So what's the story behind it?
See, Chumki is a very interesting name, which means what sparkles.
Okay.
And we say that these, when we put this chumki things on your sari and
Oh,
everything.
Chamkila.
Chamkila. So in the Bengali it means chamkila.
Oh.
Something with sparkles.
Oh, okay.
So when I was born, of course, there were a few things going on about my name, but my grandmother came up with this name because she thought that I was dazzling.
Yeah, of
So
course.
then she said that, so her name should be Chumki.
Chumki. Oh, so cute. Okay. So one question people ask you all the time,
Yes.
and one question you wish people should ask you more.
What is your latest passion?
That's the common question.
No,
That's the
thing
one
you
people should ask
me
you.
more.
Okay.
Yeah,
Your latest passion. What's your latest passion?
yeah, writing.
Writing. Wow. What kind of
I'm,
things you'd
I'm
like to
writing
write?
now a lot. Anything like small stuff, big stuff, but whatever I feel, which sort of triggers me to sort of make a document of or write something. Something which wants to come out of my mind.
Okay.
So I feel that sometimes we are losing this this writing skills nowadays a
Yeah,
lot
yeah.
because too much of typing is happening, too much of e-reading is happening.
Yeah.
So it's about everything is e.
Yeah.
But I think these are the few things I believe it expresses yourself a little bit more, and sometimes when you write something that gives you an impression that other people also can get an impression of you in a little better way.
Yeah.
So writing actually helps you to develop yourself as well. It actually makes you more matured as a person, and also helps you to understand your own feelings when you write something.
Yes.
And also when somebody sees your writing, they also kind of they also understands or sort of delves into things which they couldn't, they sort of apparently they wouldn't have understood.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's actually a very good point. Okay. You have already told me this, but your hidden talent. Same.
And that is something which is making me more sort of provoking me more, like to write.
To write.
Yeah.
Okay. So right now we are outside. It's very pretty. It's looking very nice in Atlanta. But right now it's very hard to do the rest of the questions inside. So let's go inside the house.
আমি খেলেছি, জিতেছি, টাকা এনেছি, মেডেল এনেছি, তাই আমার ইচ্ছে অনিচ্ছের উপর কথা বলার অধিকার শুধুমাত্র আমার।
So now, tell us something about the movie and your role in Dabaru.
Okay. It's a very interesting film. And not too many movies on chess are being made.
এটাই এমন, যে চাল ভেবে আসবেন প্রতিপক্ষ দেবে ঠিক তার উল্টো, একদম জীবনের মতো। গুলিয়ে যাচ্ছে না, চলুন শুরু থেকে খেলাটা দেখা যাক।
জয় বাবা ফেলুনাথ।
In Bengali, of course. But we have seen, of course, our very big stalwart Satyajit Ray had made this film called Satranj Ki Khilari long time back. But those are different issues. But here in this film, Dabaru means chess player in Bengali. So it is actually inspired by the life of Surya Shekhar Ganguly, who's an amazing chess player, inspired from his life. And he's one of the youngest grandmaster we have with us now. It's basically talking about his growing up, how he faces challenges, but he didn't even know that he had this kind of a skill, but how, you know, with the tutelage under the tutelage of his grandfather, how he started liking the game and then taking a lot of interest and being brilliant in his craft. And also his mom, which I play in the film, she is also she's also a chess player. And she has that little anecdotes about her knowing chess in a way, you know, how, you know, in little details it comes out that how she's also sort of inspiring her son and sort of giving him some inputs about the game. So that becomes a very interesting role for me.
যুদ্ধে যেমন রাজা থাকে, সৈন্য থাকে,
দাবাতেও তেমন হাতি, ঘোড়া, নৌকো আর সৈন্য।
তার মানে এটা কৌরব আর এটা পাণ্ডব। রাস্তা হচ্ছে ফাঁকা, সামলেই দেখো কাকা।
Little chap, welcome to the chess.
এনাও দাদু,
আজ কলকাতা শহরের বুকে ঘটতে চলেছে এক অবিশ্বাস্য ঘটনা, যার কেন্দ্রবিন্দুতে এক বিস্ময় বালক।
You know, and obviously a great relationship which has been shown between the mother and son, and how his mother actually faces challenges which was like absolutely very difficult for her to cope up with, because she has a very impoverished family, very difficult day-to-day life for her, but still she's never lost focus to tell her son that, you know, chess is the main thing he has to look out for.
Don't give up.
And don't give up.
রাজু টাকা দেওয়ানের বেলায় একবারে গৌরী সেন, নেওনের বেলায় কিন্তু রাজু সেন।
আমরা মধ্যবিত্ত মানুষ, আমাদের আসল লড়াই ভাতে।
দু নৌকোয় পা দিয়ে না চলা যায় না।
স্যার, আমিও প্রমাণ করে দেব এই উত্তর কলকাতার রক থেকেই গ্র্যান্ড মাস্টারের জন্ম হয়।
Yeah, very in this movie the whole attention is towards this child, but also there is this relationship between this child and a mother, which very few movies actually show, that, you know, there is a lot of hard work and what do you call it, tyag from mother's side. From mother's side for their children to become grandmasters, and you are portraying that that part. So how did you sort of relate as a person with your role as well?
See, sometimes if you don't relate also with your sheer expertise or your understanding of the role, actually you have to work on it and do it at ease.
Yeah.
But here I think I found a lot of similarities. Because as my director was going through the whole thing, I said, "Oh my God, these are things which I've seen in my life as well." Because I also have a teenage son, and of course, so I know what kind of what kind of problems they go through, and what kind of emotional bouts they go through. So obviously, those are little known to me. And when I was just going through this. Because it's a transition they've shown in the film, that from the child he just becomes a teenager, and there the film ends. They've not gone into the latter part of it, but till here whatever he has achieved. So I could relate to all the whims and fancies of a teenager boy. So this one part I felt that so as a mother, you always don't feel enough that you're doing. And so sometimes you actually come back and think that, oh my god, maybe I should have been more active in my doings as a mother. But at the end of the day, I think this is the only relationship which is very unconditional. And this is such an unconditional relationship, and this is such a beautiful relationship where nothing works. It's pure love, affection, and it's completely like giving into a relationship. So I believe a mother and son relationship is the most purest form of anything one can look for.
I remember my mother used to say, "Jab tum parents banoge, tab tumhe
तब
pata
तुम समझोगे." हाँ. So I also understand that. I mean, I think everybody understands that when they become a parent, they understand
everything,
the pain and the pleasure of becoming one.
Especially mother.
The mothers, mothers. So I think they are the the best things God have given.
Giving birth and having pregnancy.
Birth and
it's a
going
lot.
through a whole change in your system, and yet,
nobody talks about it.
No, and yet feeling happy and content that this is what I'm supposed to do, and this was what my wishes. And but then your transformations. It takes a huge.
And kudos to you. You have 2 children. You are still, you are so-called the heroine of the movie, and it's very difficult for
in this movie I have put up a very brave front in everything, be it my acting, be it my costumes, be it like, since it's a biopic, and we have seen the mother present, so obviously she's a very simple woman with, I mean, I have not put any makeup, rather I have put some dark circles and everything. So obviously apparently this whole look was also a challenge in the film. But overall I think it's a very satisfying film for me, because I sincerely feel that whenever you are doing something, whenever you get a good script and you actually you actually are doing some role which is close to your heart, that matters.
And especially this year has been very good for you. You have 2 releases and beautiful movies.
My next film, Dabaru, actually, it's 50-day plus now, and it's making an international run right now. They've just shown it in Atlanta.
That was actually my next question, that you have got a critical acclaim back there in India with this film, and now you're promoting this overseas.
Overseas, and also my next film, which has just released, it has also become a very big hit. Super hit called Ojugo, which means incompetent. I think this Atlanta screening is very successful.
And this is the passion and spirit which you have that makes you the superstar of Bengali cinema. And you've been #1 for so many years. How do you keep that position? And people call it the Deepika Padukone of Bengali cinema. So what's the secret behind it?
Well, you know what, I always believed in hard work, dedication, perseverance, and patience. These are the few things which I've never parted with. So there's no alternative to hard work. People say that, why you reached such a position, so much of hard work. I said no, that's what has made me what I am today. So I cannot just ignore that part and say that, you know, oh yeah, I mean, I can just take a shortcut. I don't know how to take shortcuts. So that's one thing. And of course, God has been very kind to me, and I'm very grateful for whatever I have done and whatever I'm doing to the Almighty. And of course, everybody's my parents, they have blessed me. My well-wishers have blessed me, and also I must say my audience have always loved me very dearly, and still they are.
So we've talked about the reception in Atlanta. What are your expectations with this film overseas?
Well, I think there should be a lot of good repercussion about this film, because yesterday the screening went off very well, and people were raving about the film, and they loved it. They loved the plot, they loved the way the movie has shaped up, they loved the sort of pace, because sometimes, you know, you feel that the film is not pacey, or it doesn't you know, have that sort of energy. You know, people sometimes they don't feel like watching it. You know, if
with
it's
the
too
Gen Z generation.
And if it's so monotonous or supposedly a little morbid. But this movie didn't have those elements. It was a very pacey film. At the same time, it has actually talked about a lot of values and a lot of relationship issues and everything. So I was quite intrigued to see that a lot of youngsters were there yesterday, and I said that, you know, this film, you know, of course we have this movie with subtitles, so you know, you can actually read and understand what's happening. So I think everybody should watch these kinds of films where, you know, you understand the struggle of a young kid, how to bloom into a superstar in his own right. The sheer idea of making a film on chess maybe then can give an interesting signal to the you know, young generation that what is in there, what kind of game is this. Let us go and just watch it and find out.
My question is in two parts. One is, you are you know, a superstar of Bengali cinema. You tried your luck in Hindi cinema as well, and this movie clicked. First part is, what's keeping you from Hindi cinema for so long? Why can't we see you more in Hindi cinema?
Yeah, that's a quite interesting question. I've been asked many times. But yeah, actually in between I became very busy with my Bengali films, and I was working in Bangladesh also and Kolkata. So too many things were sort of making me, I mean, I was quite little pressurized to, you know, to do a lot of travels, and also, you know, my family lives in Singapore, so, you know, after my work I have to, you know, give enough time to my family. But in recent times I have been a little serious about my Hindi films, and I have just finished 3 or 4 recently. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's a good news.
Yeah, it will be coming shortly. One is Ittar by Veena Bakshi, who is another National Award winning director.
Okay.
That is me and Deepak Tijori coming back in a very mature love story. My next film will be with Arbaz Khan and Mahesh Manjrekar, which is called Kal Trigori. Again, I will be, you know, will be seeing me soon.
Wow.
And then another movie called Tere Aane Se with Purav Kohli.
Okay.
Then one film, I mean, it's, yeah, the songs have just got released with Revati ji, called Good Morning Sunshine.
Yeah.
And one movie with I mean, Anurag Kashyap acted in the film. Hari Viswanathan is the director, called Masuri. And another film I'm just finishing is called Salt with Chandan Roy Sanyal.
Okay, so the list is over. Oh my god, you are a busy person.
Yeah. So yeah, that's why, you know, I was just thinking that yes, my Hindi films will definitely...
We'll see you more.
Yeah, fast. I mean, you know, it takes time, you know, in between the COVID was there, and so a lot of things got delayed.
Yeah.
So, but I hope so that, you know, it will be coming very soon, and people will love it.
So what did you remember from your movie with Rajpal Yadav and KK?
I remember Lucknow very vividly because that's like a beautiful setup we had in Lucknow, and you know, we actually in this film there were a lot of characters who is from from Rajpal's house, and those were wonderful actors been chosen from Lucknow drama school.
And that song Guncha Koi.
And Guncha Koi to became a rage after that. Yeah. And Mohit Chauhan's, even you know, in Mohit Chauhan's favorite list of songs, Guncha is there.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you sing it for our audience?
Yeah. Guncha Koi tere na kar diya, साके ने फिर से मेरा जाम भर दिया, गुंजा कोई तेरे नाम कर दिया, साके ने फिर से मेरा जाम भर दिया.
Wow. होश बेखबर से हुए उनके बगैर,
होश बेखबर सी हुई उनके बगैर,
वो जो हमसे कह ना सके
तुमने कह दिया, गुंजा कोई तेरे नाम कर दिया.
So what is the major difference between, that was my actually second part of the previous question, what is the major difference between you felt working in Bengali cinema and Hindi cinema?
Well, you know, I don't find too many differences, but of course, you know, when you are in a very in a bigger setup, and you know, because Mumbai films they have got ample of budget, and they have got, you know, international or national exposures much more. So obviously those are the things I feel very strongly about. You know, when you come to regional cinema, you've got regional limitations.
Now let's talk about your NGO, One Rishta.
Yeah. So I've started this new platform called One Rishta, where, you know, it's one and only that relationship thing. And so where we are talking about, you know, interesting combinations, interesting collaborations, where, you know, for art, music, culture, mental health, you know, we are talking about everything on that. Okay. So you can come and join and see what
anybody can join.
Huh?
Anybody can join.
Yeah, anybody can join. Yeah, it's a website where people can come, and we are trying to organize workshops there, and certain little functions or programs which can, you know, be of motivation to others.
So these are all the questions I had. Yeah. But the last question is, because this is our city, Atlanta, and I just wanted to know your experience. How do you like here? What the best thing you like about Atlanta?
Well, you know, Atlanta has always been very, you know, very warm to me, because I still remember when I came to Atlanta for the first time, I was expecting my first baby. Oh. So Atlanta has given me a lot of love and affection. So after performing in Atlanta, my baby was delivered. It was that late, but I just had a little performance. So it is always, it will be very special to me. And of course I have got wonderful friends here who are like, I mean, Joita is one of them, and she is like a, I mean, she's one girl who is so positive, and my other classmates are there, a few other friends, and my sister-in-law is...
Come back again very, very soon.
Yes.
And do you want to say anything for your Bengali fans?
Not only Bengali fans, I want to say to all my fans who are Bengalis and also non-Bengalis that, you know, life is beautiful. Live every day with hope and aspirations. The next day will be even more beautiful. And keep on watching my work, which I've been doing dedicatedly for you, my beautiful audience. And I love you, Atlanta, and I love everybody from Atlanta. And elsewhere. My audience, my big audience, thank you very much for being by my side.